Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a good day. So today's video is going to be this entry table makeover. I purchased it for $10. It was already painted white. I cleaned it, sanded it, and started the first coat of black. And when that first coat dried, I spray painted the legs gold, and I removed all the hardware and then also painted them gold. This is the second coat of black. It is a flat black. I love the way it looks with the gold legs. And then when I do put the hardware on, it just makes it look really chic. And this is the final result. I staged it here and I posted it on Facebook Marketplace. It did take a little longer to sell in my area because it wasn't, I guess, popular at the time. But when I did sell it, I sold it for $150. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like.
Subscribe, like, and share.